fourth question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 2B. This is the hardest set of math questions. It reads that g is defined by g of x equals 6x. And the question is for what value of x? We need the x value where g of x equals 54. Easiest thing to do here, just plug them both into Desmos, and then you only see one line. So you got to zoom out until you see the other line. And the solution to a system of equations is always the intersection point, and ask for the x. 9 is your answer. To see the longer video, go to YouTube, IV Masters Learning Center. And then when you go to the playlist, the longer videos are just above these shorter videos. You're going to see the by hand solution, which is just about as easy. And make sure you check out this other substitution function question. Have a great day.